Grab 2 chairs, if you would, please, and set them on stage for infomercial. I need a volunteer to come up and select 2 props for us. Who would like to do that? Right there. Come on. Round of applause for our volunteer. Grab any 2 you want. There we go. There's 1. And perfect. Thank you so much. I'll put that guy back in this one. All right. Wonderful. Put it right there, if you would, please. Round of applause for our volunteer. Thank you so much. This one is for Alan and Angel. This is called Infomercial. What's going to happen is we're going to take the props that have been selected and create an infomercial on the spot. We do have an intro too, guys.
Beautiful.
Wonderful.
I wrote that.
Oh, Reggie, it's so good to see you.
I'm so glad to be here again. You're looking lovely today.
Thank you.
Yes,
And our studio audience is looking lovely
excellent.
today. Oh, getting wild
Jungle
in
Beat
there.
now. Yes, of course, yes.
Oh.
Well, we have some exciting objects for today.
Because our show is called Exciting Objects.
It is, and everybody's going to go home with one of these.
Oh, fantastic. What do they do? What do they do?
Well, first of all, this one here.
Yes.
This is an exciting item. Suppose you have slugs in your backyard.
I do.
And you're growing roses, and there's like slugs all over the place.
Oh, I hate slimy roses.
And who doesn't really?
Who
So you
doesn't?
can take this and you can just put it in your backyard, and
Yeah.
all the slugs will go by. Wow, that's Mom. And oh, look, it's Mom, and they'll be going.
They'll just all flying towards it.
Now, and it's got a
Brilliant.
super absorbency salt inside.
Oh,
and so once they attach themselves,
Trickery.
it's not like maternal bonding. It's more saline.
Oh, wow,
And
wow.
and it will suck their human life out of them. Well, they don't have a human life, but
well,
if they
some
did,
of
it
them
would.
do. Maybe they were turned into slugs by an evil witch.
Or they're in politics.
Oh, yeah.
But that's
yes.
and that's all.
Political humor.
And then you put that in your backyard, and that'll attract all your slugs. And then when you're done,
I will.
you can just throw it in your friend's yard.
I absolutely will. It's a good thing we're neighbors.
But that's not all it does,
That's
though, neighbor.
not all it does.
No, tell us.
Do you have a problem? You have beautiful plate glass windows in your house. You had them put in. You remodeled your entire front of your house.
Yes, I
and
did.
then birds just keep whacking right into it.
What's
huh?
with that? I don't
Terrible.
understand. No, I don't understand.
Terrible. Cute little birdies just whacking, leaving stains, feathers on my beautiful windows. What you do is you hang this in the window, and it looks a little like the moon. But it looks sort of like a sad, scary moon. So all the birds think, oh gosh, what is happening? I'm high or something is terribly wrong. And they will zoom right away from your beautiful windows. Demented moon.
So you're gonna put this on the window, and then they're gonna see it, and they're gonna do a U-turn quickly because it's
Exactly.
the moon.
They think it's the moon,
it's
and then they
directional.
think, what is this? The moon is soft and kind of squishy and blue. That's not right, and they will go away.
Now, what if it's covered in slugs? Are they still going to be attracted to it? Because that'd be like
wow.
a bait, wouldn't it?
I didn't think of that.
No, okay.
The screams of the slugs might attract them.
We'll have to
Conundrum.
we'll put that back in a redesign.
Yeah, I will
think so.
try it out tonight. I'll let you know.
Very good. Well, that's
Fantastic
fantastic.
object.
Everybody's going to go home with one of those. Is that
One of
right?
those. Absolutely, absolutely. But we have something else. Objects at the end of our show. It means there's a plural.
Let's put an S at the end.
Yes.
Excellent. Tell
Okay,
me, do
so
tell.
we've got one of these
Wow.
here. Fashion sunglasses. I know. Do you remember in the 1960s, everyone had the very big Janis Joplin glasses?
Well, she died.
I know, but these,
But before she died, she had big glasses.
she
like-
designed these.
Is that right?
Designed by Janis Joplin herself.
She had a musical talent and a visual optical talent.
I know.
What a star.
She was my hero. So just put them on. You won't really be able to see too well, but you will look fantastic.
See that?
Fantastic
But
object.
that's not all it's doing either.
What else does it do?
Well, say you're somewhere outside. and
Okay,
you-
I'm somewhere outside.
And you have a desire for soup
I have a desire for soup.
and 2 types of soup and nowhere to put it.
I know.
You can use this.
That happens to me all the time.
Right in here, you can put your soup inside there.
Perfect.
Perhaps a creamy soup here and a broth over here.
I hate when they mix together.
You can turn it around.
Oh my, what can I have first? Oh wow.
Well, that's the choice. That's wonderful.
Fantastic.
And you can drink right out of here. You can use your hand.
I will, but don't just drink one at a time, because then, oh, look, I lost the other one.
Well, this
Stick
way
it
you have a
together.
friend.
Oh,
That's
Atlantic soup drinking. That's wonderful.
Creamy?
I love it. Oh, thank you.
And you notice our lips don't touch the same side.
No, keep that
That's
separate.
design. Janis Joplin designed this too, before she died.
She's so talented.
She's a multi-talented
so
person.
talented.
And everybody's going to go home with one of these today.
Wow, right. We only have just enough, though, so someone's actually going to get one of these, but I'll wipe it off
Yeah,
for
we'll
you,
take that.
okay?
And there we are. And you can use the slug wiper to wipe it off,
Oh,
too.
absorbent. Okay.
And there we are. So that's our show for today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all for coming. We'll see you next time.
Fantastic object.